Hello guys, welcome to Roro's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making sweet pepper puff puff. So as you can see in this video, we are using all-purpose flour. I used 2 cup of all-purpose flour. I added my yeast, then I go in with 3 spoon of sugar. Then after adding the spoon, then the next day I go in with salt. Then the next day I go in with nutmeg. Then after adding the nutmeg, I'm going to mix and combine the whole dry ingredient together. Just mix it thoroughly until it is well dry and combined together, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and drop your comment. So after that, I'm going to be adding warm milk. If you don't have milk, you can use warm water. So add the warm milk and mix until everything is well mixed and combined together. As you can see in this video, I was adding my warm milk step by step so that the puff puff will not be overwatering. So I added the second step of milk, then I'm going to be mixing it until everything became nice and fluffy. You don't want your puff puff dough to overwater. If not, you will not get that perfect crushy puff puff you are looking for. So mix it thoroughly until everything is well mixed and combined together. Then the next thing you are going to do after enough mixing, make sure that everything is well mixed and nice. Guys, this puff puff was so simple and so duper yummy. So as you can see, it is well mixed, nice, not that too watery. As you can see, is well consistent. Then the next thing, I'm going to put it and allow it to rest. As you can see, it's rest enough. The next thing I added, it was my pepper, because the weather was too cold, so we cannot eat this puff puff without not chewing pepper in our mouth. So I allow it to rest first before I added the pepper. So I mix everything together. After washing my hand, I make sure everything is well mixed. The pepper is well mixed and combined with the dough. Guys, this pepper puff puff was so crunchy. It was crunchy and it was so amazing. So my kids have been craving for puff puff because it has been a long time we actually make puff puff in this house. So they were craving for it. Then I decided to make for them. By that time, our oil was already on the fire. We just begin to dip our puff puff inside our hot oil and it's ready. This amazing pepper puff puff was so crunchy. I can't lie, you the puff puff come out so amazing. You know, when you don't want to do anything, when you don't want to stress yourself of working, that is where you will just say, let me just do this small thing and it will come out so amazing. So as you can see, I was stirring it. I don't want to fry this puff puff 2 times. That is why I have to put everything once, because I was so tired and I was very tired. So guys, so after that, I begin to stir it until everything is well stirred and combined together, until you get to the consistency you are looking for, just like this. So it's almost ready. What you have to do now is to grab our turner, turn it the second time. As you can see, our sweet pepper puff puff is ready. When you try this homemade pepper puff puff, you are going to love it and you are going to like it. So as you can see, we're going to be digging them out of the hot oil. Our pepper puff puff is ready. What are you waiting for? This puff puff was so amazing. So let's check the inside. The outside was crunchy, while the inside was so pepper and soft. You're going to love this pepper puff puff. When you try it, you are going to love it and you are going to enjoy it. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.